Hello everyone. A very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a spicy, delicious and super flavorful street style chili egg recipe right at home. This recipe is quick, easy and absolutely perfect for lunch, dinner or even as a tasty evening snack. Soft boiled eggs tossed in spicy sauces, crunchy vegetables, and aromatic seasonings. This dish tastes incredible with fried rice, noodles, or even on its own. So, without any delay, let's get started. First, take a pan and add around 2 glasses of water. Let the water come to a nice boil. Now carefully add 6 eggs into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and close the lid. Boil the eggs on medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes until they become perfectly hard boiled. Once done, transfer the eggs immediately into cold water. This helps the eggs cool down quickly and also makes peeling much easier. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegetables for our chili egg recipe. For this recipe, we need 1 capsicum, 2 onions, 1 spring onion or green onion, 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 garlic slices, a small piece of ginger, and some fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Now let's chop all the vegetables. First, chop the capsicum into medium square pieces and transfer them into a bowl. Next, chop the onions into square shaped pieces and keep them in another bowl. Now finely chop the spring onion and transfer it into a bowl. After that, chop the green chilies. Then finely chop the ginger and garlic together. Finally, chop some fresh coriander leaves and keep everything aside. Now let's prepare the eggs. Peel all the eggs carefully. While our dish is cooking, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Now let's get back to our recipe. Then remove the middle yolk portion from the eggs and keep it aside. Now cut the eggs into pieces exactly as shown in the video and keep them ready. Next, place a pan on medium-high flame and add a little oil. Allow the oil to heat properly. Once the oil becomes hot, add the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute them until they turn light golden brown and aromatic. Now add the chopped green chilies and stir for a few seconds. After that, add all the chopped vegetables into the pan. Cook the vegetables on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want the vegetables to stay slightly crunchy for that perfect street style and restaurant style texture. And now comes the most flavorful part, the sauces. Add red chili sauce and soy sauce. Mix everything really well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Add half teaspoon salt or adjust according to your taste. Then add a little bit of water and stir nicely. The sauce mixture looks spicy, glossy, and absolutely mouth-watering. Now gently add the prepared eggs into the pan. Carefully toss everything so the eggs get coated beautifully with all the spicy sauces and masalas. Cook for another 2 minutes on high flame so all the flavors combine perfectly. Finally, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves for extra freshness and flavor. And that's it. Our hot, spicy, and delicious street style chili egg is completely ready to serve. Serve this flavorful chili egg hot with fried rice, hakka noodles, or simply enjoy it as a tasty starter snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss another delicious recipe from our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep cooking delicious food at home.